this morning. Trying to get this little project done before we go into the city. That was a bee. We
I got overkill on cement so we could make a square. Maybe.
Something trying back.
So red.
That's your mom.
I got the.
All right. We're scooping. We're pouring.
I'm gonna get some of those hook things out of the
Shed.
shit.
So we just be collecting things over the years because we're hoarders. And we're going to be using these. What's going to keep these from tipping?
The weight of each other.
Get away from me. Get. I just be wondering how cement be looking smooth when it's not.
Oh, that's all the after.
Everything in Arizona, it's a dry heat. Especially when it comes to living in an RV because there is no insulation.
Enclosed space.
Oh, now you're all tuckered out, Jason? After beating up Freddie? So jiggly. No, I don't need it. Maybe the cement will do. All right, these are the anchors for the 90% shade blocker. Just using some household finds with these hooks, and then bought these $2 bricks, $2 a piece bricks, and then the $3-something one bag of cement. Like literally, we just hoard things that we're like, oh, what can we use that for later? So that's where these things came from.
One day, 10 years later.
Yep.
Bam.
Boom. So remember those bricks that we were making earlier? Thank you so much. So we'll look into it. For the sun cover 9,000. Sunshade cover 9,000. It's another one of the bricks. Another one. Second time it's on the roof. Sitting there on the roof. To put a shade. Huh?